are joining in at lesson 21 of the intermediate class of LBallet. You see the dancers, Esme, Sanne and Fleur. We're starting with 2 hands at the bar and with the left leg. Remember, hips are always in first, never twisting. Going to the front in a battement tendu. Rolling down where your heel is at the side, your foot is coming. The insides of the legs are not touching. When you turn out well, they are getting open. And point and close. To the side, rolling down and the point and close. To the back and then releve, taking the head to the side. Over your shoulders, coming back, demi-plie. Other side, turning to your left ear because that was your first leg. Stretching the hamstrings, the same and turned out first. And the last port de bras, the hands are you taking you on 3/4 point. Okay. Stretch your back over the bar. Left foot 1 at the side of your heel and hips in first. To the side, rolling down. Away, away. To the back, not twisting, not twisting. Good. Point. Releve and head to the left. Cambre, elbows down. Coming back, demi-plie and starting from the plie. Go. You are too much on the heel, Esme. Yes. And shift your hips in first. And 1, 2. Hold your hips. Going up. 1. Elbows down. Plie and turn. 2, 3, 4. Get your weight forward, Fleur, and coming up. That's backward. And go. Hanging to the front. Tailbone to the front. Come on. To me. Yes, that helps. And up. Arms down and take yourself on the 3/4 point. Going up. Are you breathing? Opening. And your color is changing. That's why I see it. You are getting a little red. And when you keep your breath in, you are getting red. Okay. The pliés. In first, in second, in fourth behind the fifth, and in fifth in front, we have a demi-plie and the stretch. And you open, and in the stretch in allongé, grand plie, with the usual arm, deepest point in front of your knee, through first, opening. Remember, our first position is more round and shorter than a second. And the air is at the bottom of the arms, staying. Staying, going down on 4. And 1, 2, 3, up. The change from the 4th is with this half a rond to the back. And half around to the 5th. Then we finish on relevé, opening, port de bras en rond, 1, 2 is down, head is relaxed, and the hand is taking me to the side, and the hand is taking me to the back. My deepest point changes, opens, and closes in first, and then we go backwards. So remember, your head should be relaxed, And the movement comes from the fingertips, taking you around, and the shoulders are staying in the same level, never twisting with me. Okay. Arm first, open, lifting and demi-plie, up and opening, and 1, 2, yeah. Send your legs outwards, and 2, and 3. Hold your arm, releve little finger out as may. Lifting, 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 and plie going. 1. Now opening little finger is doing the work. And up, and 1. And get little finger should be out, lifting. Demi-plie, tendu to the back on the jump, and 1 head out. And your hand is moving, so you follow your hand. Nice. Open the legs. Little finger is out, and 1, 2. Releve and stay. Are your hips in first? Hold, demi-plie to the sides, and demi. And a wide movement is a grand plie, a big plie, a full plie. Releve. And open arm, 2 is in front, fingertips are guiding you. They send you in a circle to the sides, in a circle to the back. Nice. Opening very well in the shoulders, and taking you. Relax the head, yeah. And coming up and detonate on you side and back and forth. Realize this is the most big thing you can do on both legs. And plie and go and 1. Yeah. I could see you thinking my little finger has to be out. 2. And opening and go and 1. Up, up. Open your, no, let's do it so well as you did at side A, and go. Relax your head. Go. Take a circle. Nice. And 1, lifting the breastbone. Yeah. Relax the head. And out, and your cambre en rond is very well, my dears. You felt I have to tell you relax the head in the sideward, huh? And then you notice you go 5 centimeters deeper. Yeah, and we want to go